Hi, this is a quick explanation of this assignment called Game Design Document, and this is from the Creating Content unit, and it's assignment Game Design Document. Now on this, you're going to analyze a game called Shop Empire. So I'll show you how to open that. So I click there to open it, and then I scroll down slightly, and the Shop Empire comes up on the screen here. So you can see I can hit play right there. So that's how you get into Shop Empire. Now on this, we get out of that. On this, your overview should talk about these different sections with descriptions of each. You are not reviewing the game, like telling what's good about it, what's bad about it. What you can do is pretend that you are part of the design team for this game, and the people who wrote the game, created it, they'd come to you and say, hey, we've created this game, we want you to play it, and they want you to come up with the documentation, the paperwork that people would read to determine whether they would like to play the game or not. Some of you have turned it in already and you're just reviewing it. No, you are not to review the game. You are to create documentation for each of these sections. So in the introduction, you would explain what the game is and what you're supposed to do. Here are the concept. I mean, what's the idea behind the game? What are the steps you go through? What is the point of it? Whatever you think the background story is for this game. The objectives, so what are the goals of the game? And finally, some ideas on the play description. So on the play description, you can talk about the different keyboard commands that you would use. You could talk about things you have to do in the game because there are certain pieces of it, like where you have to get security people in your mall. You get to add new stores in and things like that. You need to draw customers in. So all of you have, you've probably bought video games and you've probably at least a little bit read some of the documentation that comes with them that tells you all about the games, that gets you excited about the games. Well, that's what all this is supposed to do, to get you excited. You write it up and it gets a user excited about the game, lets them know what they might need to know about the game to determine if they want to play it or not. And all you would do with this is just highlight these 5 things, copy and paste them into a word processor, and then have 5 distinct sections, 5 separate sections with paragraphs within that word processor. So I don't want you to review the game, tell me that, well, it's not my type of game, I really didn't like it. That's not the point of this. The point is to create documentation that would go along with the game if somebody wanted to play the game. And then I would suggest you save this as Creating Content Game Design Document. That could be the full name. And then you turn that into the Dropbox. So hopefully this will help you have a better idea about what you're supposed to do with this assignment. Thank you. Bye.